are going to start. As you already knows that the reciprocal properties, sine reciprocal is cosec and sec cos reciprocal is sec. Likewise, sine inverse x will be equal to cosec inverse, sine inverse x will be equal to cosec inverse 1 by x. Cos inverse x will be equal to sec inverse 1 by x. So these are the things I already explained. Proofs already explained in your book. You can check it out later. But proofs are deleted for the boards, so no need to write for this proofs. Okay. Next one is cos of cos inverse x. Tan of tan inverse x is equal to what? Tan inverse x will be equal to what? Cot inverse 1 by x. Right? Tan inverse x will be equal to what? Cot inverse 1 by x. There you go. So tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus of tan inverse x, and cosec inverse of minus x is equal to minus of cosec inverse x. Right? Now next things. Next what you have? Sec inverse of, in this case is mod x greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Sec inverse of minus x. Sec inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus sec inverse x. And where mod x greater than or equal to 1. And cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Okay, for x belongs to real. And next, these are the properties you know. Sine inverse of minus, cos inverse, tan inverse, cosec inverse, sec inverse, cot inverse over. Next properties what you have to learn. I am writing the next properties we need to learn is this one. These are the properties. The last sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Ligo, write down. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where x is in between of 1 and minus 1. Okay. Next, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So these are the formulas you should know, where x belongs to real. Next one is what? Cosec inverse x plus sec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay. Cosec inverse x plus sec inverse x is equal to pi by 2 when x is greater than or equal to 0. See, these no need to remember for board level. Mainly you need to remember this formulas. Domain and range, that is not a matter for board level. And this is one more important and last formula for your boards. If x greater than 0, y greater than 0, xy less than 1, then the formula is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Tan inverse. So these are the last formulas you should remember. X greater than 0, y greater than 0, xy less than 1. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. So these are the all formulas. So now we can start the problems. One more formula, okay. 3 more formulas are there. Write down these formulas. बहुत सारे फॉर्मूलास है इस चैप्टर का. चलो सर ये फॉर्मूलास फर्स्ट लर्न करो, आपको टाइम देता हूँ. अभी सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ट्रायंगल का ये चैप्टर का पूरा फॉर्मूलास लर्न करो, बिकॉज आप घर में तो कैसा भी नहीं पढ़ते हो. एक बार फॉर्मूलास पढ़ो, 10 मिनट का टाइम देता हूँ, उसके बाद सम्स करता हूँ. फॉर्मूलास पढ़ो आप सब लोग, फॉर्मूलास पढ़ो, उसके बाद सम स्टार्ट करो. Cos inverse root 3 by 2. Find the principal value. Cos inverse root 3 by 2. Find the principal value. Chalo, tell me fast. On cos inverse root 3 by 2, let us take as this is as if they will ask you, suppose the steps are not mandatory if they are asking in the MCQs. 2 marks question they are asking, so steps are not required. I am explaining the steps. Let us take cos inverse root 3 by 2 is theta. Then I get as root 3 by 2 is equal to cos theta. It means I got cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Correct? And you know what is the range of cos inverse x? Cos inverse x range is 0 to pi. Correct? 0 to pi, na? Cos inverse x range is what? 0 to pi. So cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. When you will get cos root 3 by 2, when you will get pi by 6, na? When you will get pi by 6. So cos pi by 6. So theta equal to how much? Pi by 6 is the principal value. Pi by 6 will belongs to 0 to pi. Or pi by 6 will belongs. You cannot go for second quadrant. If you go for second quadrant, cos will become negative. So you don't go for more than pi by 2. It will be less than pi by 2 only. In the first quadrant it must be. Right? It's understood? The principal value of cos inverse root 3 by 2 is pi by 6. I need to find the principal value of this, correct? So what I do here, let us take this is equal to theta. So what I get here, cot theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Cot theta 1 by root 3 when happens? Tell me. Cot theta 1 by root 3 when happens? Cot inverse 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Cot 1 by root 3 will get at pi by 3. See, cot tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So tan 30 1 by root 3 means cot 60 is 1 by root 3. 60 means pi by 3. And cot negative when happens in second quadrant. So pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 is how much? 2 pi by 3. So cot theta will be equal to what here? Cot 2 pi by 3. Now tell me, is this, can I take 2 pi by t? Because the range of cot inverse is where to where? Where to where is cot inverse range? Theta range will be where to where? Theta belongs to where to where? 0 to pi. Now tell me, is this answer is 0 to pi between? Yes. So the principal value of this is 2 pi by 3 is the answer. Therefore, the principal value of this, that is cot inverse minus 1 by root 3 is 2 pi by 3. Is 2 pi by 3. Principal value is 2 pi by 3. Okay, 2 pi by 3 is the answer. So like that you have principal value of sine inverse 1 by 2. For this question, sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Come on, tell me. अभी बोला था ना मैंने 1 by 2 कब आता है? 5 by 6 ना. So this is equal to we take theta, and what I get here, sine theta is equal to minus half. Sine half कब होता है? pi by 6 पर होता है. But negative means I have to take this here minus theta. You don't need to go here. Here is wrong because here is the theta value will be becomes minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. I cannot cross more than this. You cannot take here in second quadrant. You have to take fourth quadrant. So theta must be how much? Minus pi by 6. Means this is, it must be minus pi by. Sine theta is equal to sine minus pi by 6. So theta will be minus pi by 6 is the principal value. Because this is lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So you need to take that branch only. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. The answer is that. Did you understand what I said? Understood or have any doubts? Okay, sir. Tomorrow we'll solve question.